Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Honda Civic FD. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Safely lift and secure your vehicle on jack stands to access the drain plug and oil filter underneath. Now, locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan, usually found at the bottom of the engine. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to collect the used oil. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new oil filter until snug, then replace the drain plug. Finally, refill the engine with the specified amount of fresh engine oil. After refilling, check the oil level using the dipstick and add more if needed to reach the full mark. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and recheck the level. Inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to dispose of your used oil responsibly. For a fresh car interior, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.